Morning everyone. Today in this video we are going to talk about what are the xerophytes, okay, and what are the anatomical adaptation that plant undergo to endure xerism. So xerophyte, xero is a dry condition, okay. Dry condition means the water availability is either very low or negligible, okay, and we all know that phyte means plants, okay. So the plants that are adaptive to survive in the dry condition, they are known as xerophytes. So if we talk about the definition of xerophytes, that is the first question that is in general asked examination in the examination, that what are the xerophytes. So xerophytes are the plants that are growing in dry habitats, okay. So example, I will give you a few example of the common xerophytes. The first example is Euphorbia tirukali, okay. Cactus, we all know that cactus is a known xerophyte. Agave, okay. Aloe, that is aloe vera, it is also a kind of xerophytic adaptation. Portulaca and Nerium, okay. So these are few example of xerophytes, the plants that are growing in the dry habitats, okay. So now we are going to talk about the characteristics, okay. Characteristics of xerophyte. So in the dry habitat, the water is already scanty, okay. So plant do not want to lose their water whatever they have it, because water is life. It is same true for human being as well as for the plant also. So what the plant will have, the plant parts will have waxy coating on their surface, okay. So what waxy coating is doing, the waxy coating will prevent the water from going outside. So the plant part, they have the waxy coating or hairy layers. So both this adaptation, it will prevent the water loss from the plant organ, okay. The second characteristic of the xerophyte are, there is a thick cuticle. Again, cuticle is thick. Again, this is preventive measure to prevent the water loss from the plant tissue, okay. There is high osmotic cell sap pressure. Okay. The sunken stomata are present, okay. So sunken stomata, they are also the adaptive feature of the xerophyte, and these sunken stomata, they are restricted to the lower side of leaf, okay. The fifth adaptive feature or the characteristic is the mucilage. It's a gummy, sticky like a fluid, the gum or tannin, okay. They are usually present in hypodermis, okay. Okay, another common adaptation of the xerophyte is the leaf surface is largely reduced, okay. The leaf surface is largely reduced, okay. So example is needle like leaf in pine tree, okay. So why in the pine tree, so why does the xerophyte, they have largely reduce leaf surface area. This is also adaptive feature, because if the leaf area will be large, there will be more photosynthesis, there will be more, all the physiological process will be there, and in that way the water will be lost, okay, through transpiration or other processes. To prevent that, the leaf surface is largely reduced, so that the amount of water required is also very little, okay, and that leaf surface is able to perform all the process of photosynthesis, etc., so that it can survive and eliminate the need of excess of water, okay. Now, since the water is already very less available for these xerophytes, the well developed vasculature system should be there in these plants, okay. So well developed vascular tissue, what it will do, it will ensure that all the minerals or the water, they are conducted to the plant efficiently, okay. So in this video, finally I will go through very fast. We discuss what are the xerophytes. So xerophytes are the plant growing in the dry habitat, and what are the anatomical adaptation of xerophytes, we discussed in the 7 points. There are few example of xerophytes like euphorbia, cactus, agave, aloe, and all these adaptive feature like waxy coating or hairy layers, cuticle is thick, high osmotic cell pressure, sunken stomata that are restricted to lower side of leaf, and the presence of mucilage, gum or tannin in the hypodermis, and reduced leaf area, and with developed vascular tissue. These are all the adaptive feature of the of the plant to endure the xeric condition. Xeric condition means the dry condition, okay. So it is clear from my side. So go through it, and if this question comes into your examination, please try to write it in the point wise format, so that will give you more marks also, and it will take less time also. So have a good day. Thank you for watching the video.